Now that's what I'm talking about. I don't know what's going on with the lives, folks, but we're getting a black screen. I played with the phone and stuff. I can do the shorts, but the lives are going to be talking only until I get this resolved. But that's okay. It'll keep the clowns away, because when they can't see me, they don't want to listen. Boy, it's raining pretty good. That's awesome. Now that's awesome. It'll cool it down nice tonight. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. That's awesome. It's a rainy night in Georgia, folks. We like that. A rainy night in Georgia. And I apologize for the technical difficulties on the live, but I kept trying to start one up. Rebooted the phone many times, even on break today. It just will not come back. YouTube may have updated and the phone may not be able to match it anymore. Look at the wind. Yeah, there's some thunder boomers there. That hot air mixing with that cold, and that's the stuff that noise is made of. The rain was sheeting off of that roof with the wind. It's kind of cool. Some big pines over there, man. Big pines. Look at that. That's pretty cool, man. Oh, this rain is a blessing. Thank you, God. Cool this awful hot planet down.